How to connect Gcash Mastercard to PayPal. Now, in order for us to get this done, it's important for us to have our own Mastercard. So it should look like this. This is how it's going to look if it's a Visa card. From this point forward, it's actually pretty straightforward. Head over to PayPal, and then we're going to go ahead and basically click Add Card or Bank. And then from here, you can just go ahead and close this one. Don't worry, you have the option here to link a card. Go ahead and click this one over here. And there you go. So you have debit or credit card number here. Go ahead and type your number, which is going to be here. So you're going to type it here. Say, for example, 5265. Let's just go ahead and type it here. Or maybe open a notepad in order for us to be able to see it better. 5265 1234 1234 1234. So again, this is only an example. Now, by the way, before you are going to do this one, it is very important for you to have a remaining balance in your Gcash Mastercard. Otherwise, you won't be able to get this through. Now, the purpose of that balance is for PayPal to check if it is a legitimate card. Now, again, make sure that you have the amount there. You have, say, for example, $2, 200 pesos, something like that. And then from here, let's head over to the expiration date. So it's going to be this one right here, 0119. And then for the security code, it should be found behind the number. So it's going to be looking like this. So 3-digit code, you can just go ahead and enter it here. So say, for example, in this case, seems like it's 019 as well. 019. And then the billing address. So just go ahead and put here your billing address, and once it's done, just go ahead and click link a card, and that's basically it. And congratulations everybody, now you know how to connect Gcash Mastercard to PayPal.